like that.
What up guys, it's Steezy again. Today's video we're going to be going over how to do a burst load on IW4X or MW2. You can do it on either one. It's really similar to a zoom load and a wild scope, so if you guys haven't seen those tutorials, please go and check those out before you watch this one because it's really similar. But yeah, let's get straight to the video. Before we go straight to the video, please do me a favor and go over to twitch.tv/Steezy and follow me there. I stream every other day on the weekdays, and then I also stream with my girlfriend on a couples account. It's called Tony and Sierra, so twitch.tv/Tony and Sierra. You could drop a follow there. We're literally one away from 100. We're at 99 right now. It's doing really well, so I would really appreciate it if you guys could do that. And don't forget to drop a like for your boy and a subscription, please. Alright guys, so you're really only going to need your intervention or sniper or whatever you're trickshotting with, and then a burst AR. So you can either use the FAMAS or the M16. I've got thermal scope on mine because I think it looks sick. So to do the burst load, all you have to do is press 3 buttons. It's really simple. Shoot your gun. Make sure you have the M16 or the FAMAS out. As you can see, I have the FAMAS. Shoot it, press the X button to reload, and then as soon as you press X to start your reload, you're gonna scope in, and it's gonna do the exact same animation as a zoom load, but it's called a burst load because you're using the burst AR. That's exactly what it'll look like. And you can refer down at the bottom left corner of my screen, my controller overlay, to see the timing on how I do that. So it's really quick. Shoot, X, left trigger. Like, not at the exact same time. I mean, you can press X and shoot at the same time, but just wait, like, literally, barely wait at all, and then start scoping in. I'm on 57 or 58 FPS, so if you guys are having a problem with it, try lowering your FPS or raising it. I'm not sure which one helps, but I'm on 58 FPS and I'm getting it every try. So let's try to see if we can hit this in a shot now. Oh, that was a good attempt. Dude, I shot the car tire. Did you hear that? And also, huge shout out to Parallel Necca. He's the one that actually showed me this trick shot, so we wouldn't be able to make this happen without him. I bought his barrel stuff. So shout out to Necca. I'll leave a link to his socials down low in the description. Whoa, wait. Oh, you fuck bot. Quit shooting the glass, man. Where you at, bitch? Oh, please let me hit that, dude. Shit. 3 seconds left. I didn't shoot.
Emotional damage.
Hey, we finally hit it, yo. This is how you gotta do a burst load. Hell yeah. If you guys like this video, please drop a like on the video. Hit that subscribe button for me. It really helps. And leave a comment down below on another tutorial that you guys might want to see me do. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace out. Hey, we finally hit it, yo. This is how you guys do a burst load. Hell yeah.